Hi everyone, converting text to proper case, the first letter of every word is capitalized and all other letters is quick and easy in Excel using the built-in proper function. Assuming your messy data starts in cell A2, then click into the cell B2 and type equal sign PROPER, open the bracket, select the cell's reference, close the bracket, hit enter. You will see the converted results. Then you can double click or simply you can drag the fill handle to down it to apply the formula to the rest of your rows. Make sure the proper function capitalize the letter immediately following any non-letter like spaces, hyphens or punctuation. For example, O'Connor will correctly become O'Connor, but words like Adams Parker which have hyphen in that will be like this one. So I hope you understand how you can use the proper function in Excel. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.